Welcome to the BackLink Factory software setup. This tutorial is to show you how to add Google accounts to your BackLink Factory software. So you come to the menu at the top, click on Google Accounts. Now I already have a number of Google accounts added. If you've not added any, this box at the top will be blank. If there's something in there, just delete it and pick your Gmail address to add. Clear out the password, paste password in here, delete the brand, and then all you do is add new and wait. And a private browser window will open up and wait. It will automatically log you in to your Gmail account. And you select the account that you want to use and scroll down, and these are all the things that BackLink Factory will have access to, and click allow. Has no blog or blogs, that's okay. Go ahead and save. Just a suggestion here, before you add any of your Gmail accounts, whether for yourself or for your clients, just check to make sure that you've got a blogger account set up, and if there isn't one, go ahead and set one up, and there is a tutorial showing how to set up a blogger account. You can take a look at that. You may or may not ever want to use it, but you might as well go ahead and get it set up before you need it. So if you're adding an address that you've not used in a while or used before, you're still going to go ahead and enter the details. Clear this information out. Click Add New. Wait for the browser to log you in. Now, you'll have to confirm your recovery email or your recovery phone number, whichever you've set up on the account. And once that's confirmed, you'll get the screen to allow the BackLink Factory software to access these bits of information. No blogger accounts, go ahead and click OK. And you can check here under brand, click the drop down arrow, and here is the new address added. So okay, if you don't want one of the addresses in here, go up to the top and select brand and select the Gmail account you want to remove and click on delete. And just wait, and now that account is removed. If you've added Gmail accounts to your software and you log in and they don't show up, simply come up to the top and click on refresh and your screen should repopulate. For most, if not all, of the BackLink Factory software, you can now export and import your Google accounts. So if you have a software that doesn't have any or many Gmail addresses in the software, you can go to one software that has many Gmail addresses. If they don't show up, just click on refresh data. So if you don't see anything here, but you know that you have Gmail addresses in here, just come over to brand account and click the drop down and you'll see the Gmail addresses that are in the account. Okay, so here's all my addresses. Click on export accounts and decide on where you want to save it. Go to the software that does not have any Gmail addresses. So you click on import accounts, and it will go to the file where you saved your exported Gmail addresses, and then just double click on the zip file and keep breathing and wait. Down the bottom it reads checking Google accounts, and here are all of the accounts that you've imported. And that wraps up this tutorial.